Okay, do you want to see the other bedrooms here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that one will be really big.
Yeah.
Really big. Really big sprinkle on the bed.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Next for the blanket.
Yeah. Pretty cool, right? Just a lot of paint, little paint floors or something.
I think I want to go down now.
Okay, yeah, let's go down.
Is this some? Oh, that's the closet.
Yeah. Oh, there's a little note. Somebody's number. And an old lotto ticket from long ago.
Right.
Imagine if this is $1 million.
For me and Stone.
Careful, ah.
Yes.
Where's the TV gonna be?
Over here in the couch.
Where's the couch gonna be?
Here.
Okay, shall we put some wallpaper on the wall or just paint it?
Just paint it.
Okay.
What?
Yeah.
A toilet?
Yeah. It's called a half bath. There's no shower, but there's a sink and a toilet.
In the plunger.
In the plunger.
You're right, there is a plunger. Or a cleaner.